How to make an alliance announcement in Lands of Jail. So to do this, you're going to need to be rank 4 or higher, since this is the only people that can edit the alliance announcement. So once you are, you should be able to see your ranking, or the member section. You should be able to see what rank you are in your alliance, and if you're eligible to edit or make an alliance announcement, you should be able to see it over here. Just go ahead and press on the alliance announcement in the main alliance screen, then just go ahead and put in whatever you want. So let's say we want to say that you can only add up to 400 characters as well. Then just go ahead and confirm. Then as you can see, you'll be able to see an alliance announcement. So if you go back to the world chat and then into the alliance, you'll see the alliance announcements over here. So that's pretty much how you make an alliance announcement in Lands of Jail. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.